Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel.
Have you ever felt completely alone while chasing your dreams?
Like nobody believes in you?
Like people laugh at your goals or tell you to quit.
Today, we're talking about how to stay motivated when nobody supports you.
And honestly, this is something many people experience.
If you feel alone right now, this conversation is for you.
Alex, can I ask you something?
Of course,
How do you keep going when nobody supports you?
that's a difficult question.
Because sometimes I feel tired. I want to improve my life, learn new skills, and follow my dreams, but people around me don't understand.
What do they say?
Hey, say things like, you can't do it, you're wasting your time, be realistic, stop dreaming.
That hurts.
Yes, especially when it comes from family or close friends.
I understand.
Sometimes I start believing them.
That happens to many people.
Really?
Yes, most successful people started alone.
But why don't people support us?
Because they can only see your current situation.
What do you mean?
They see who you are today, but they cannot see who you might become tomorrow.
Wow.
For example, if someone wants to become successful online, people may laugh at first.
That's true.
But later, when success comes, those same people suddenly support you.
That sounds unfair.
Maybe, but it's normal.
Why?
Because results make people believe.
So before success, people doubt you?
Exactly.
That's sad.
Yes, but it's also powerful.
How?
Because your belief must become stronger than their doubt.
I think self-belief is hard,
It is.
especially when nobody encourages you.
That's why self-motivation is important.
But how can I believe in myself?
Start with small proof.
Small proof?
Yes, small wins.
Like what?
For example, studying every day, finishing a project, improving one skill, uploading one video, reading one chapter.
Small progress? So confidence grows slowly?
Very slowly sometimes.
I thought confident people were born confident.
No, most people build confidence through action.
Social media makes everything harder.
I agree.
I see successful people everywhere.
And then you compare yourself?
Yes.
That's dangerous.
Why?
Because you are comparing your beginning to someone else's middle.
That's true.
Everyone starts small.
But online, people only show success.
Exactly. They don't show failure, stress, or lonely nights.
Sometimes I feel behind in life.
You are not behind.
Really?
Everyone moves at a different speed.
I need to remember that. And what about bad days?
You will have many.
That doesn't sound motivating.
But it's honest.
Fair enough.
Some days you will feel strong. Some days you will want to quit.
I already had those days.
Me too.
So, what should we do?
Rest. But don't quit.
That's powerful.
One bad day does not destroy your future.
I think people forget that.
Success is not about perfection.
Then, what is it about?
Continuing, even after difficult moments.
Can motivation disappear?
Absolutely.
Really?
Motivation is temporary.
Then, how do successful people continue?
Discipline.
What's the difference?
Motivation says, I feel excited today. Discipline says, I will continue even when I feel tired.
Wow.
That's why discipline changes lives.
So, we cannot depend only on motivation?
Exactly.
That makes sense. What if the people around us are negative?
Protect your energy.
How?
Spend less time with negativity. Spend more time learning and growing.
But what if I feel alone?
Being alone is sometimes better than being surrounded by negative people.
That's true.
Also, remember this. You can find support online.
Really?
Yes, there are many positive communities.
That's encouraging.
Listen to motivational podcasts, read books, watch educational videos.
So even strangers can inspire us?
Absolutely,
Sometimes I wonder if my hard work will matter.
it will.
How do you know?
Because effort always creates change.
Even small effort?
Especially small daily effort.
Interesting.
Imagine yourself 1 year from now.
Okay.
If you improve only 1% every day, you will become a completely different person.
That sounds amazing.
Your future self is watching your decisions today.
That line is powerful. So what's the biggest lesson here?
Don't wait for everyone to believe in you. Believe in yourself first.
Even if nobody supports me?
Yes.
Even if people laugh?
Yes.
Even if success takes years?
Absolutely.
Because dreams take time.
Exactly.
I think many people needed this conversation today.
Including us.
If you are listening right now and feel alone, please don't give up.
Your current situation is not your final destination.
Keep learning.
Keep improving.
Keep believing in yourself.
And remember, small steps every day can change your life.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next conversation. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.
Bye.